12 Weird Signs of Liver Damage. Today, we're delving into the often overlooked signs of liver damage. From changes in your stool to peculiar growths around your eyelids, your liver can manifest its distress in surprising ways. But fear not. Understanding these signs is the first step towards preventing further damage and promoting liver health. Stick around as we uncover 12 weird signs that your liver might be in trouble and explore effective remedies to reverse liver damage naturally. Just a quick reminder, this video is intended solely for educational purposes. If you have any medical conditions, please consult with your doctor. Now, without further ado, let's begin. 1. Light-colored stools. Your stool's color might hold clues about your liver health. Light or clay-colored stools could indicate bile flow disruption, a common occurrence in liver damage. Bile produced by the liver typically gives stools their brown hue as it aids in the digestion of fats. However, when the liver is impaired, this flow of bile can become disrupted, leading to lighter-colored stools. Paying attention to changes in stool color can provide valuable insight into your liver's function and potential health issues. 2. Difficulty with night vision. Struggling to see clearly in low-light conditions? It could be a sign of vitamin A deficiency, which your liver plays a crucial role in absorbing. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low-light or nighttime conditions. However, liver dysfunction can interfere with the absorption of this vital nutrient, leading to difficulties with night vision. If you find yourself experiencing such visual challenges, it's essential to consider the health of your liver and consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation and guidance. 3. Swollen right foot. Liver issues can lead to fluid accumulation in the legs or feet, often more pronounced on the right side due to liver enlargement. The liver plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance in the body. When it's not functioning correctly, fluid can build up, causing swelling, particularly in the lower extremities. If you notice swelling, especially in your right foot or ankle, it could be a sign of potential liver damage. Seeking medical attention is crucial to determine the underlying cause and address any liver-related concerns. Before we go to the next sign, we want to remind you to hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. 4. White eyelid growths. Small white or yellowish growths around the eyelids could signal cholesterol buildup linked to the liver's impaired cholesterol breakdown. These growths, known as xanthelasma, are collections of cholesterol deposits beneath the skin. The liver plays a vital role in processing cholesterol, but when it's not functioning optimally, cholesterol can accumulate, leading to the formation of these growths. While xanthelasma itself is usually harmless, it can be a visible indicator of underlying liver issues that warrant further investigation and management. 5. Pressure on the right side. Feeling discomfort under your right rib cage, especially after meals? It could be due to bile thickening and blockage in the gallbladder tubes. The gallbladder, located beneath the liver, stores bile produced by the liver until it's needed for digestion. However, liver dysfunction can lead to changes in bile consistency, causing it to thicken and form gallstones, which can obstruct the bile ducts. This obstruction can result in a sensation of pressure or discomfort on the right side of the abdomen, particularly after consuming fatty or rich foods. 6. Persistent itching. Experiencing relentless itching on your palms or soles? It could be due to bile acid buildup beneath the skin, a consequence of inadequate liver filtration. The liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins and waste products from the bloodstream, including bile acids. When the liver is unable to effectively remove these substances, they can accumulate in the body, leading to itching, particularly on the palms and soles. This persistent itching, known as pruritus, can significantly impact quality of life and may indicate underlying liver dysfunction that requires medical attention. 7. Purple and red spots. Liver dysfunction can lead to reduced blood clotting, resulting in bruising and unusual skin spots, often seen on the lower legs or arms. The liver produces proteins necessary for proper blood clotting. When it's impaired, the production of these proteins may be disrupted, leading to increased bruising and the appearance of purple or red spots on the skin. These spots, known as petechiae, are caused by tiny blood vessels bursting under the skin surface. If you notice an increase in bruising or unusual skin spots, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to evaluate liver function and address any underlying issues. 8. Cracked heels. Dry, cracked skin on your feet could be a sign of vitamin B3 deficiency diverted to repair liver damage in cases of liver disease. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is essential for maintaining healthy skin, among other functions. When the liver is compromised, it may prioritize the allocation of niacin to repair liver damage, leading to deficiencies elsewhere in the body. This can manifest as dry, cracked heels, and other skin issues. Addressing liver health and ensuring adequate nutrient intake are crucial steps in managing such symptoms. 9. All white or club nails. Notice your nails turning completely white or taking on a rounded shape. It might indicate severe liver damage hindering oxygen delivery. Healthy nails typically have a pinkish hue, indicating adequate oxygen supply to the nail bed. Nevertheless, when liver function is compromised, oxygen delivery may be impaired, leading to changes in nail color and shape. All white nails, or club nails, which appear rounded or bulbous at the tips, can be a sign of significant liver damage or other underlying health issues. Consulting with a healthcare professional is essential for proper evaluation and management of such nail changes. 10. Yellowed skin. Jaundice, characterized by yellowing of the skin, suggests significant liver damage and requires immediate medical attention. Jaundice occurs when bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells, builds up in the bloodstream and deposits in the skin and eyes. Liver dysfunction, such as hepatitis or cirrhosis, can interfere with the liver's ability to process bilirubin, leading to the characteristic yellow discoloration of the skin. Jaundice is a serious symptom that requires prompt evaluation by a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment. 11. Dark urine. Liver dysfunction can lead to bilirubin accumulation, causing your urine to turn dark orange, brown, or cola-like in color. Bilirubin is a yellowish pigment produced during the breakdown of old red blood cells. Under normal circumstances, the liver processes and eliminates bilirubin from the body. Yet, when liver function is impaired, bilirubin may accumulate in the bloodstream and be excreted in the urine, leading to dark-colored urine. If you notice changes in urine color, it's essential to consider liver health and seek medical evaluation to determine the underlying cause. 12. Spider veins. Dilated blood vessels, known as spider veins, can appear due to estrogen imbalance resulting from the liver's impaired detoxification function. Estrogen, a hormone involved in various bodily functions, is metabolized and eliminated by the liver. Nonetheless, if liver function is hindered, estrogen metabolism may be disrupted, leading to imbalances in hormone levels. Elevated estrogen levels can weaken the walls of blood vessels, leading to their dilation and the appearance of spider veins on the skin. If you notice the development of spider veins, it's essential to consider liver health and consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation and management. Now let's take a look at some ways to reverse liver damage. Number 1. Dietary changes. Making dietary changes is crucial for supporting liver health and reversing damage. Start by reducing your intake of sugary, starchy foods like cookies, candies, and soda, which can strain the liver. Instead, focus on incorporating plenty of bitter and sulfur-rich foods into your diet. Leafy greens, garlic, broccoli, and kale are excellent choices as they support liver function and aid in detoxification. Additionally, opting for lean proteins like wild salmon and eggs can provide essential nutrients without burdening the liver. 2. Coffee and turmeric. Kickstart your day with a cup of organic coffee infused with turmeric to support liver health. Coffee contains polyphenols that can reduce the formation of scar tissue in the liver, while turmeric boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they make a powerful duo for promoting liver repair and detoxification. Simply add a teaspoon of turmeric to your morning brew and enjoy the benefits of this liver-loving beverage. Incorporating coffee and turmeric into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your liver's natural healing processes. 3. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for supporting liver function and promoting detoxification. Aim to drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day to help thin your blood and support bile production. Adding freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice to your water can further aid liver function by stimulating bile flow. Hydration is key for flushing toxins from the body and maintaining optimal liver health. Keep in mind, though, we are not doctors, and this information should not be considered as medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check our other videos on health and wellness.